All right, you're tuned in to UROCK on U107, and you just heard Ears and Rhymes by Sense of Sound, one of our bands guesting tonight on the show. We are, of course, featuring UST.
The University of Santo Tomas.
And we have Sense of Sound. But before we get to the interview, I just have to remind everyone about our contest tonight. Our question is, what is the name and the tagline of the newest college culture magazine? We had the editor-in-chief guest
Just a few minutes ago.
Yeah, just a few minutes ago. So if you know the name and tagline of the newest college culture magazine, do text us.
And seriously, if you already know the name, I can't say it obviously because it'll spoil the contest. But it's a really great magazine.
Yeah,
we
it's a
have
cool
the
magazine.
pre-launch issue in our hands, and it's basically like UROCK,
In
but
print.
in print.
Yeah.
So, you guys, when it launches in January, please do get a copy.
Get a copy as soon as possible. So, okay, Sense of Sound is with us. Please introduce yourselves.
Yes.
Hi guys. Hello, hello.
Hi. Hello. Yes, my name is Zel. I'm the lead singer of the band and I play acoustic guitar.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Don Don. I play the bass guitar.
Hi, I'm Jet, played on drums.
Hi, I'm Jem, 18. I play the electric guitars.
Male,
Single. Available.
Motto. Favorite color?
ASL.
All right. So, you guys make up Sense of Sound. Lahat ba kayo galing UST?
Yes, UST.
Paano kayo nagkakilala?
Paano ba?
Paano ba?
Sa labas lang.
Diyan lang
Hindi,
sa
actually,
tabi-tabi.
Kanina lang, actually.
Kanina lang. Kanina lang. Okay.
hindi, yun. Since nasa music kami lahat sa conservatory, nag-form ako ng band and then, yun, lahat naman kami kasi nando doon. So, doon kami
you're the
nakita-kita.
founder.
Founder.
Nice.
Nux. Okay, pero same course kayo.
Same
course. Ah, okay.
Music.
So, it wasn't very hard to meet each other. Alright, so what kind of music naman?
Yung music naman namin is ginawa namin. We're trying to create our music more ear-pleasing and for driving, ganun.
For driving. I love driving music.
Saka
Chill
pang-romansa.
Pang-romansa. You know, that could mean so many things.
But what,
Pang-romansa.
like, who are the bands or artists that influenced your music?
Marami. Mithi,
Mithi daw.
siguro yung mga Jason Mraz, John Mayer, mga ganun.
Driving music talaga.
Favorite ko yun.
Pang-romansa talaga.
Pang-romansa talaga.
All
Okay,
right.
so you guys, tell us about your song, the one that we
Yung
just
Ears and
played.
Rhymes,
Years and
Ano ba?
Rhymes. Yun
Ano
yung
ba?
title.
Parang complicated ng
Hindi,
title.
yung song, kasi ginawa ko medyo talagang parang sexy and
Sensual.
sensual.
Pang-romansa talaga. Pang-romansa. May inspiration ba behind the song? Since sexy and sensual.
FTV.
Oh, go. Come on.
Ano ba? Hindi.
Ex-boyfriend.
Para sa future yun, para sa future.
Para sa
Inspiration sa
future.
future.
Okay.
Ah, really? Okay, so meron ba kayong gigs coming up or...
May gig ba tayo?
Sa US.
Ang galing ng mga bands natin. Ano?
Hindi, the UST. UST.
Ante, papahinga muna siguro kaming bakasyon, Christmas vacation.
Christmas vacation.
Siguro.
Can I just say that this guy, what's your name again?
Jem.
Jem. Pagpasok mo dito sa NU kanina, I thought you were Doc Sergio. I really thought he was Doc.
Talaga?
From Pupil, yeah. I was like, what's Doc doing here? It's UROCK. He really looks like him. Mag-smile ka naman sa camera para makita nila.
All right. Can you tell us like about the process of writing your music? Sino ang paano nyo ginagawa 'yan?
Well, ano kasi, madali lang. Download. Download lang. Pero syempre may kasalanan yan.
I write the songs, saka yung lyrics and yung progression. Tapos, practice kami every other week. Tapos, yun, jamin namin. Ganun lang. Ganun lang yung process.
So, pinapacheck niyo pa yun sa mga professors niyo.
May extra grade ba?
Hindi po pwede.
Yeah, that's a good question.
Diba? I mean, if it gets...
Kasi
Because
you're
like...
in Conservatory of Music, right?
Oo,
So,
pero
syempre.
Hindi kasi yung classical music kasi. So yung music natin ngayon, contemporary music.
Because I know like, for example, if you're a fine arts student and then you get an exhibit or something.
Yeah,
it
you
could
can
be
use it for
as
your
thesis or something,
yeah,
you know,
you
or
can.
like a project.
So how does that work in UST? Because we're not from UST. So Paano ba
May
yan?
ganun ba?
Kung
May
may
parang
banda ka.
extra
yeah.
points kung kunyari ma-play sa radio or may gig kayo, ganon.
Wala.
Wala.
Siguro
Di ba pwede- We'll talk to
pinaka-benefit
your
lang nung nasa music kami, ano lang, yung skills lang, madadagdagan yung skills.
Di ba pwedeng isama
Kung
sa
absent
portfolio?
kayo, kunyari may gig kayo hanggang like 4 a.m., ganyan. Kung absent
Tas
kayo,
may
excuse ba
7:30
yung
class
absence
kayo?
nyo dahil may gig kayo?
Hindi.
It's all for the sake of music!
George! So, paano yan? I mean, you can't even include your work in your portfolio. Diba? I'm sure may portfolio kayo at the end when you graduate, di ba?
Ewan ko kung graduate.
Wait,
Or-
so you're all classically trained? Am I
Classical,
correct?
classical.
Okay.
Okay.
Ah.
Oh.
And then it comes out like this. Cool.
Okay, so you guys, how can everyone get in touch with you?
Meron kaming email, senseofsound@yahoo.com.ph. Yung multiply siguro on process pa kasi since yung banda namin nagsisimula pa lang, wala pa kami masyadong gigs. Wala kami maipopost na pictures.
Pero no, make
Lang
your
yan.
multiply
Meron yan.
account so we can be friends on multiply.
Alam mo
Because
yung-
we have a multiply.
You know,
Maging friends today.
so the secret.
Hindi, on multiply lang. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. We can be friends. We can be good friends. We can be best friends. Even.
All right, so we already have.
Oy,
we
have
have
a-
some
yeah.
texts here.
This is from Proyecto.
Ang mga bandang UST, pang romansa talaga. Hail, Calla Lily,
Chicks Magnet.
All right, well, you have somebody here agreeing with sense of sound. All right,
So,
so
you have fans already.
all right,
Papi. Maraming fan si Papi.
meron ba kayong final words, greetings, ganyan, Gabe?
Siyempre, Bautista family, dad, kuya, sino ba ba? Ninong kong kuripot.
Christmas na. Okay.
Oo nga eh. Si Bugoy.
Okay.
Ayun.
Anybody else?
Nanay ko, tatay ko, tapos mga kapatid ko.
Oh, sweet.
At saka si Tonton nga pala, happy birthday. Tsaka tambay ng third floor.
Sino si Tonton? Kanina rin greet.
daw.
Tonton? Where's Tonton? Wala siya.
Okay.
Happy birthday!
Yung Manuel family, tapos, syempre yung nanay ko, ate. Dami, basta yung UST Guitar Boys. Tsaka,
Gitar sa UST.
tsaka yung mga friends ko sa,
Oo, alam nyo na kung sino mga friends niya.
Binabati ko yung family ko, yung mga friends, mga perk majors, especially si Jonah, yan yung nagbibigay ng gig sa amin eh.
Ah,
Ah,
dapat mabait kayo dyan.
mga pinsan ko,
Alright.
sa lahat ng kaibigan.
Tsaka Gregory family.
Alright, thank you so
Alright.
much, Sense of Sound, for coming over to the booth.
Thank you din.
Thank you so much. Yes! Alrighty, guys, keep it here on New 107. This is UROCK. When we come back, we will have DX1 or the UC Amateur Radio Club with us.
That's us. That's us.
Yeah.
That's them, so stay tuned.